Hi people, I welcome you all to the Silk Zone, that is your favorite place. I welcome you all today with our new collections, that is the pure Matka silk sarees, which is so good to wear. I am feeling so lovable. It is most beautiful and skin friendly products. And I am wearing it in the color of white and blue colored combination. We have the golden zari borders in both the corners, and this is the pallu of the sari. And you can see this product. This is so good, the fabric is, and we have the prints on it. This is the floral prints on these saris. And on the entire body of the sari we have the same print with the combination of sky blue color, which gives the most beautiful combination look. And we have the blouse with it, and we have very different unique blouse with the sari that gives so good contrast with the blouse and sari. That is, we have white color blouse, on that we have blue color floral prints on it with the golden zari borders. And the cost of this beautiful sari is just 3500, that is 3500. We have just very few exclusive pieces. Hurry up soon. You can take the screenshots and send it to our WhatsApp contact, which is displaying on the screen as well, which is very affordable as compared to the market price. We are the manufacturers and we are the producers of these products. Hurry up soon, just very few pieces left. This is the second piece of the same Matka silk pure saris with a different colored combination, that is white and parrot green, and with the golden zari borders. This is the pallu of the sari, and on the entire sari we have the floral prints with the birds beautifully designed on the entire sari. This is the body of the sari in the color combination of orange and green, which is printed beautifully on the entire sari. And this is the pallu. On the pallu we have golden zari borders, which is the pure Matka silk saris. And again, once we come with the blouse of the sari, this is the blouse of the sari, that is in the white and green color combination with the white full green color leaf prints on it. And the cost of this beautiful sari is just 3500. As I said you, these are the very few exclusive pieces with us. Just 3 pieces are left with us. Hurry up soon and purchase it soon. Our website is www.silkzone.in. please do browse in it so that you get more collections in it. Just other piece left out, I'll show it to you very soon. Hey people, I have come up with the last exclusive pieces in the Matka pure silk saris. That is, I can tell you, this color is a biscuit cream color with a chocolate brown combination floral prints on the entire sari. This is the body of the sari, and we have the golden zari borders on both the corners of the sari as well as in the pallu, which is very beautiful. And this is the soft modal silk, very skin friendly, and the summer wear, I can tell you, which gives you the very elegant and beautiful look. And this is the blouse of the sari. For blouse also we have the floral prints on it as well as the golden borders on it. And the cost of this beautiful sari is just 3500, that is 3500 rupees, which is very skin friendly, beautiful. Just few pieces left. Hurry up soon. We have just 3 exclusive pieces in this product, that is pure modal silk saris. This is the other fabric, the pure organza modal silk saris. The fabric is so good. I'm feeling it so comfortable, very soft, and the finishing is so good. You can just feel the fabric as I can show you. And the color combination of this sari is sky blue with a dark black or navy blue color on the sari. You can just have a look at it. The prints on the entire sari is in the floral prints, and we have the golden zari borders on it. And this is the body of the sari. On the entire body of the sari we have the floral prints on it. And this is the pallu of the sari. We have the golden zari borders on the pallu as well, and the product is so good. The finishing have come out so well, I can tell you, which is very skin friendly. Once you feel the fabric, you will definitely love it, I'm sure about it. And this is the blouse of the sari. And the blouse also we have blue color floral prints on it with the golden zari borders. And the cost of these beautiful saris is just 3500, and we have very few exclusive pieces left. Since we are the manufacturers and we are the producers, we are giving it to you in the wholesale price. Hurry up soon. once the product is booked, we will dispatch you the next day itself. So please hurry up soon, since we have the very least exclusive pieces left. The color of this saree is greyish color with a color combination of black color on the entire saree. We have the black, something like a fleets or some unique design, I can tell you, with the same golden zari borders and with the same organza modal silk. The fabric is the same. I am showing you the different prints and different colors of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree. We have the golden zari border on it, and the fabric is, again, it's very pure modal silk sarees, 100%. There is no compromise in our product. Since we are the manufacturers, we are giving it to you in the wholesale price, that is just 3500, and we have the blouse with the saree as well. This is the blouse of the saree with the golden zari border. The cost of this beautiful saree is just 3500. Hurry up soon, very few pieces left. The same fabric, that is organza modal silk sarees with a different color, that is I have come up with a very brightest color, very lovable color, that is the lemon yellow color with a multicolored floral prints on the saree. This is so good, the fabric is so good, and this is the body of the saree. On the entire saree we have the floral prints on it with the same golden zari borders on the both the corners of the saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, and pallu also we have golden zari borders. The product is so good, very comfortable, skin friendly as well. We have very good finishing. I'm feeling so soft. And this is the blouse of the saree, and the blouse also we have the black color floral prints on it, and we have the golden zari borders as well on the border of the blouse. And the cost of this beautiful saree is just 3500. That is the wholesale price we are giving it in. Very few pieces left, hurry up soon. Hey people, I have come up with the other beautiful colored saree, that is the pista green color saree, which is very beautiful and lovable color with the of multicolored prints on the saree, that is the birds and the leaf prints on the saree with the color combination of orange and green. And this is the entire body of the saree. We have the golden zari borders on the both the corners of the saree, and this is the pallu of it. On pallu also we have the golden zari borders on it, and the finishing of the product is so good, very comfortable, it is very soft to wear. The pure organza modal silk sarees, and I am going to show you now the blouse of the saree. This is the blouse of the saree, where we have the golden zari borders on it as well, and these are the prints on the blouse section, that is in the black color prints, the birds and the leaves. Cost of this beautiful sarees, we are selling it in the wholesale price, that is just 3500, that is 3500. We have very few pieces, exclusive pieces left. Hurry up soon to purchase the products which you like it. Hey people, I have come up with the other color saree with the organza modal silk, that is the same product but with a different color and different prints on the saree. And this color saree is yellow color, as you all can see it. We have the orange flower with the green leaves on the entire saree, and this is the entire body of the saree, and we have the golden zari borders on the pallu and the borders as well. Very beautiful and comfortable, and the finishing is so good. You can feel the fabric which is giving you the comfortable feel. And we have the blouse also with this saree, and I am going to show you the blouse now. And this is the blouse of the saree, and the blouse also we have the golden zari on it. Once you feel it in live, you will get to know for sure, which is very lovable. And these are the brown color rose prints on the blouse section. And the cost of these beautiful, very few pieces left sarees are 3500. Since we are the manufacturers, we are giving it in the wholesale prices, that is just 3500 without any other shipping charges. Thank you so much for watching our video with so much of patience and love. Thank you so much. And again, I would like to tell you, please do like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon which is below our video, so that you will receive all our notification and new updates of our collections. And please do leave a comments or opinion or advice. Our website is www.silkzone.in. Please do browse the website for more collections, and we have our WhatsApp number which is displaying on the screen. Please do come forward. If you like any products, you can just take the screenshot and share in the WhatsApp, so that you will get the same product within the very short time. And we have more stocks. You can just please do come forward and take whichever you would like. And the return policies is like this: if you find any damages by any chance in our product once the purchase is done, please do return within the 7 days of it. And we have all kinds of acceptance of cards or credit cards or cash on delivery, everything. And thank you so much for your patience. Please do share, subscribe and share with your friends, family and neighbors. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.